Hello everyone. You should be here at our CareerEco.com user login. I sent that in an email, and this is where you're going to go to sign in on the day of the virtual fair. Or if you want to go in before that, I suggest you do that just to be familiar with everything. On the side, this is where you create a new account, but you don't need to do that because you all should have user login details. When you log in, some of you are admins, some of you are not, so it just depends on your credentials on what you're going to see. Since I am an admin, my view of everything might look a little bit different than yours. The first thing I want to call your attention to is the tutorials and resources. This is a good place for you to see what you're going to experience on the day of the virtual fair. I'm going to go to admin, and this is where you'll see the user list. You can edit your personal details here, your title. This is going to be your display name. That's the way it's going to be shown in the actual chat room. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add graduate. This is graduate recruiter. I'm going to put graduate enrollment specialist, and then I'm going to say graduate enrollment specialist, because that's how my name is going to display. Okay, and then you also can upload your personal photo. Just make sure that it's 400 pixels by 400. I had to take this picture into Paint and to resize it, so you may want to think about that. You don't have to have a photo, but it's good to have some kind of an avatar if you want. We're going to go back to the event dashboard, and that's how you're going to go and access the room. So we're going to join the event, and of course nothing's happening today. This is what you're going to see. The information, you might want to go in and check and make sure this is all accurate. If we need to update anything, you should be able to edit it. If not, let me know and I'll edit it for you. These are the degrees. The grad programs, we weren't able to put in our actual programs. We had to select from a list. So they may not be exactly what we offer, but it's as close as we can get because that's all they gave us to select from. And then the downloading of files. We've got some files here. You are able to add more files here if you wish to do that. On the day of the virtual fair, we'll be able to download transcripts so you can see what actually is going on. This will be our main room. We're not going to be able to have additional chat rooms, but what CareerEco did tell me, that is if you are talking to someone and want to take them into a private room to chat, you can do that. So that's something to think about. Then up at the top is where you'll just go back and forth from the virtual fair to the event dashboard. One thing that I like that CareerEco does is that they give us a list of the candidates. You can look at your candidates, you can select your candidates, you can look at their resumes, you can send messages to the entire group. You can compose a message and then send it out. Our goal is to send out a campaign to all of those inquiries in TargetX so that they know we're going to have the virtual fair. And then I think Amanda is doing some social media on our pages. So we'll be getting the word out about this event for November 9th. But again, check out the tutorials. Really a good place to find out how to utilize the virtual fair. But it's really pretty simple, not too complicated. And I find it a lot simpler than the one that we have from the Career Services Center. And you can, on the, when you go into the event, you can do video, and you can chat with someone via video and audio if you want to, but you can type in your messages here. So really great opportunity to visit with your prospective students and have a nice conversation with them. And then don't forget to log out.